Today we're talking about decking options to help take your deck from good to great. Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contact Renovations to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have a new deck that we built for this client, and they really wanted something remarkable. And this particular product that was used, it's called Zuri. This is a capped PVC decking product, and it's definitely considered a premium product. And the advantages of this product are, well, 2 or 3-fold here. So the first thing I love about this product is you get these big, meaty nosings. So it looks like a nice solid wood product, as opposed to your average composite deck will be quite a thin 5/4 plank, and it looks a little bit thin and pretty standard. This has this nice meaty edge, makes it look like real lumber, and really a nice design detail. Also, within the coloring of this product, you get this nice exotic look out of your deck without the need for ongoing maintenance. So here we've done a nice alternating color pattern, looks really slick, but the colorways available in this product are really beautiful, and when you combine them with some picture framing and within an overall layout, you can see it's really a beautiful finish. So think about your options. They don't all have to be really expensive. This one happens to be, but the end result certainly is remarkable. And consider also how you do your layout. Here, this nice colorway really helps, as well as the design and the overall pattern. If you have any questions about what product to use in your project, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations Custom Homes. Have a great day.